soft elevator. This is a folder of the soft elevator. How to use soft elevator? This is in Arabic, and there is a version in English in same file. We can press here this word file discussing how we use or how it works this program for drawing for installations of lifts or elevators. Okay, so we have here traction elevator and hydraulic elevators. في هنا كمان this program how it works, how its abilities. Okay, and this is other discussion. Okay, so we have the discussion in Arabic and in English. Okay, this is how it works. We have another file how to set up the lift, how to use the soft elevator. This is the steps of using it or the abilities of it. We can read it. All these are distributed with this package. How to set up the soft elevator? From these links we can I distributed, but these links may be found or be deleted. This is the size of the program. This is the windows which may appear during an installation process. So we follow these steps for completing the installation. Okay, and we don't forget to copy the database file which is elevator. Okay, this file should be copied to the C drive. Okay, after installation there will be icon in the programs icons. We select it and install. Okay, and they work the program. Okay, this is the invent MDB invent which is the database of the elevator soft elevator program. This will be copied to the C drive. Okay,